You know how some people seem to have it all: dream jobs, amazing relationships, healthy body. What if I told you they are not just lucky? They are using manifestation. In this video, we will go over the full proof manifestation techniques that you can start using today and the science behind it. If you like these kinds of video, grab your notebook, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Now, first let's get into the science, because this is what convinced me that manifestation is actually real. It's not just a woo-woo idea, it's an actual science. So, firstly, there is a part in our brain which is called reticular activating system. Think of that as a filter which decides what to tune out and what is important to you. So, whatever you focus on, your RAS captures it and tries to bring it into your reality. So that is why when you think about a dress that you want to buy, or a jewelry you want to buy, or a red car that you want to buy, you will start seeing that everyone is talking about it. That is how RAS works. Because RAS got to know that it is important to you, that's why it will keep bringing you the evidence that this is possible for you. So when you do all the manifestation techniques and you actually focus on your goals, your RAS understands that this is important to you, and then it helps you in spotting opportunities or help you in making ideas that will make your dreams or goals possible. And then there is neuroplasticity. So neuroplasticity suggests that our brain rewires itself every single time we speak or we think about something. So, when we repeat affirmations or when we visualize, we are strengthening the pathways in our brain that support those ideas. That's why it becomes more close to your reality. So, in a way, you are training your brain to believe in your dreams and work towards it. Pretty cool, right? That's why it's said that manifestation isn't just about good vibes. It's about rewiring your brain to achieve your goals. Now that we have covered the foundation, let's talk about the good stuff, the techniques that actually work. Now, my favorite technique, visualization. So, visualization is when we close our eyes and imagine our dream life. Picture every single detail that you want in your life: where you are, with whom you are, what you are doing, what you would like to do next. Every single thing. Feel how you would be feeling at that time, how amazing you would feel, how accomplished you would feel, how relaxed you would feel. Maybe you are picturing about a vacation, or maybe you are visualizing you look a certain way. Feel the feelings that you will feel at that time. Does this feel calm? Does this feel excited? Do you feel super happy? Be as specific as you can. The more the neurons in your brain understand how amazing it is and would be more willing to work towards it. If you are visualizing your dream job, imagine the excitement and the pride that you would feel while signing the offer letter, while going to that job. Feel every single thing that you are making good friends there. The feelings are super important, and the feelings are what will make those visualization come true. Just think about every single detail you can. The more detailed you will be, the more amazing you will feel, and the more easily this will become your truth. This is why visualization works so much. I have a full dedicated video regarding visualization, how all celebrities use visualization and how they have achieved so much through visualization. So don't forget to see this video. Now, the second one is scripting. So scripting is the thing that I do always when I want to manifest something. It just always works for me. So in scripting, you will be writing down your dreams as if they have already happened. Instead of saying, I want to travel the whole world, say that I just came from Italy. It was so beautiful. I was in Paris last week. I saw Eiffel Tower. Be specific, be clear on what you want. If you want a financial goal, instead of writing, I want this amount of money, write down, I just checked my bank account and it has this amount of money. I am now going to shopping. I will buy this thing and I will be giving treat to these people. Like, however, what you will do with this money. Just be very clear, very specific. Like, create your own story. How you would love to enjoy the goal. Manifestation is not at all hard. The easier you feel while you are manifesting, the easier it will be. So see, if you want a job, write down that I just came home from work. It was my first day at this place. It was so nice. Everyone was so welcoming. See, this is our story. We get to write here, like how you want your life to be. Be fun, be specific, have all your feelings out. You will see how fun it is and how easy it is to manifest your dream. That is why scripting always works for me, because I get into my fields. I write down all about how I want everything to go, and it does work. I also have a dedicated video on scripting. You can check this out here. It's a fully packed video that describes how I do scripting. So don't forget to check this out. Now, the third technique is affirmations. Affirmations are game changers for your mindset. I feel like we all know about affirmations, but we are not using it to its full extent. See, just saying I am rich, I am confident won't solve all our problems. Whenever you say I am rich, so the truth is that if you have 10 rupees more today than you had yesterday, that also means you got richer, right? But I'm guessing that you are not seeing manifestation videos because that much amount only. So be specific. I always say regarding any manifestation technique that works, you have to be specific. You have to say what you actually want. Say that I want this much amount of money working on this specific thing. So maybe you are an engineer. So you can say, I earn this much amount of money working in this company in this position. I am rich, I am healthy does not work now. Okay. So, or if you want to be healthy, you can say that I have a very healthy lifestyle. I weigh this amount of kgs and I am very happy with my body from inside and out. Be as specific because this is your affirmations. You won't be getting this in any Pinterest board. You have to write it down. So create your own affirmations. I also talk about it in this video of mine where I talk about the apps that you can use now. You can write your own affirmations in the apps and that would show up alternatively in your homepage. So whenever you are watching your phone, you are seeing those affirmations. And when you keep seeing those affirmations, when you keep reading those affirmations, when you keep saying those affirmations all day long, there is no way neuroplasticity is not happening in your brain. This is how our brain changes. Our brain gets into new reality. This is what is called quantum leap. Because you say this so much, your brain thinks of that as your reality instead of what is happening in your life, right? We want to bridge this gap, and affirmations is the easiest way to do it. It can feel like it's not working right now, but continue for at least 1 to 2 months to see actual results. The more you say, you will see how your mindset is shifting every single day and how easy it is for you to reach your goals. And now, bonus section, building your manifestation routine. So in the morning, you will start your day with visualization and affirmations. You will be visualizing while saying your affirmations loudly, or after your visualization is done, you will say your affirmations regarding what you have seen and repeat those affirmations throughout the day. And at night, you will be scripting your dream reality and visualize that while you are sleeping. Just trust me on this. If you continue this for a month, I promise you will come to this video and write in the comments that your life have changed. I changed my life like that. I know so many people whose life has changed through these methods, and your life can too. And trust me, everything is going to fall in its place. So, which manifestation technique are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, manifestation is a journey. So be patient and trust the process. Also, if you have been manifesting for a long time, check out for these signs if your manifestation is coming right now. And thank you so much for always supporting me. I love when you guys support and comment on my videos. Thank you so much everyone, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.